What's going on, guys? Yo, you know what time it is? First, let me go ahead with the introduction, man. It's your boy Julius with Exclusive. I'm excited, man. It's your boy Julius with Exclusive. Back at it with another one. You already know. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Interact with the videos. I appreciate you guys. And I'm excited, man. So let's get to it. Let's go ride Project Gsxr. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my very first ride along moto vlog. I am excited, man. I got Project Gsxr running in the last video. I did a little ride along earlier, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and take it for a little spin, a little longer than the first one. See how it is. I took it to the tuner, and the tuner told me everything looks good, everything sounds good. Most likely it's just some stuff that needed to be tuned out from the ECU. I have a lot of modifications to be running a stock ECU, so he said he'll most likely be able to tune it all out and that I shouldn't worry. So I'm taking it for a spin. I'll probably be riding it a little bit just so when I do take it to the tuner, there won't be any surprises or new noises and things like that. If I do hear anything, you know, he'll be able to tune it out right there in one time. Not, oh, I never got it up to a higher speed and, you know, I'm hearing a tick up here, and, you know, I want to know all that stuff before I take it to the tuner. So one shot, hopefully be done with it. It won't take multiple tunes or trips to the shop. So, but yeah, man, I'm out here just riding along. I want to see how that clutch is, because the very first ride, when I let off of the clutch, it actually stuttered, and it seems like that smoothed out. What I ended up doing was I ended up replacing the gas. The gas was it's been in there for a while. It was non-ethanol, and from what I was told, non-ethanol gas didn't go bad like the new ethanol does. When I looked it up, that was a lie. It does go bad. So the bike ran, but it ran kind of rough, and now that I got the new gas in here, it actually, yeah, it takes off a whole lot smoother. Oh, that's way smoother. Even if I should be able to theoretically let off this clutch without giving it gas, and I wasn't able to do that before, so I'm gonna give that a shot right now and see if I can go ahead and, oh yeah, see, before I wouldn't have been able to do that. So the clutch and the way it's idling is way smoother already, and I can tell that off rip. So let's go ahead and get on the street real quick. I'm gonna let this car go. I'm warmed up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a first gear pull, let it rev a little high, hear what it sounds like. Oh, I was about to cuss. Boy, I got all my power back. Goodness. Oh man, I was not expecting that, man. The first time I rode this thing, it was slow. I mean, it got up, it's a motorcycle, it's never really gonna be slow, but it did not feel like that. That is for sure. Goodness. Oh, I am excited, guys. I really am. I think I officially have my 750 back. All right, so another test. So the first time I rode it, I wasn't able to get the front wheel up. So let's see if I can get the front wheel up now with the new gas in here. Oh yeah, guys, I've got all my power. It's official. Oh goodness. Oh, my bike is back. Oh, I love it. I'm mad excited, guys. I'm sorry. You're gonna hear a lot of excitement going on under this helmet, man. Goodness. And like I said, this is my very first moto vlog, man. I've never done this before. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me. My mic might not even be set up right, but we're gonna give it a shot, man. I know I have a modular helmet, and it is loud in this helmet. I might have to go ahead and get a new one. I've been looking at that Icon Airflight helmet. We'll see, man. We'll see how this sounds, but I just wanted to take you guys along for the first ride, man, and post this video for you guys, because you guys been down since I framed it, man. I built this, man. I can't believe that. I've taken a lot of things apart before, and I put a lot of things together before, but a lot of things didn't work after I put them together, especially this good. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Oh yeah. First gear pull. Let's get the front wheel up again. Oh, never mind. Oh God, guys. Oh my gosh. This thing is ripping. Woo! I better slow down, man. I ain't been on a bike in a while. Oh boy, I'm excited. All right, let's jump it down. All right, so right at around 7,000, I feel like I lose power. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it takes a long time to climb right there. Yeah, something's not right about that, but everything else feels wonderful, man. Right at about 7,000, it feels like I lose power a little bit. I don't hear any noises or any ticks that I should be worried about, but it does seem to stall a little bit, and that might just be due to the fact that I have the short intake tubes and the stock ECU. So I'm gonna chalk that up to the tuner. Definitely bring that up to him though, so he can check that out on the dyno and see if he can get that kink out of there. So, but everything else, oh yeah. So first gear feels like 9,000. Yeah, it loses it up on the top. That's it. It's really not bad though, but it does lose it on up top a little bit. Let's see. And I'm sorry for turning around so much, guys. I don't have mirrors, so I gotta turn around and see what's going on behind me. I don't know how you guys ride without mirrors. That's crazy to me. Like, I don't even know if the police are behind me. Like, how do you guys do that? I don't get that, to be honest. And if I do get hit, man, I want to see the hit coming. I want to prepare for it. I tried even the bar end mirrors, and that thing did not work. I like my original OEM mirrors for sure. So my light should be next. And here we go. I was a little slow on the clutch. It's been a while. Oh, train tracks. Couple of train tracks. My bike isn't even put together. I'm missing the screw in the tank. My seat's not screwed in, so hitting the tracks right there, I felt the tank pop up a little bit, but it's all good. I want to do this first ride, man. I want to make sure I don't have any leaks, make sure I don't have anything, you know, going on, make sure my oil's right when I get home, coolant level, make sure all that's right. And if all that's right, I'll go ahead and put these fairings on, because I won't have to get under there anymore, man. I won't have to get under there for the tuner. Just has to pop off the seat, and that should be it. And even if so, I'm sure he's cool with taking off plastics. That's what he does, right? So yeah, I'm gonna take it up to this little road in the back. It's usually empty. It's a weekday, so there's a lot of traffic today. I'm sitting at a lot of lights in South Florida, man. That's how it is. You get used to it. But I'm gonna take it off to this little empty road and just rip it up and down the road a few times, see what it feels like, man. That's, oh, I got my bike back, man. I feel like I got a brand new bike. Like, I know this is the same bike I had before, but I really feel like I just got a new bike, and I love it. I'm just gonna hug it real quick. I'm sure everybody's looking at me crazy, like, the hell is this man doing? But oh man, I'm mad excited. She's smiley. Oh, she's blowing kisses at somebody. Somebody's gonna get something tonight. Oh. Alright guys, I think we let enough cars through. Go ahead and throw the green my way, please. The weather is perfect right now too. It's like 70 degrees. Oh man, I got it done just in time, because pretty soon it'll be too hot to ride during the day. Get the back of your neck burnt if you want to. 29 more seconds. I could wait. I'm not gonna go out here and run this light and get a ticket on my first day with the bike back. That'd be a waste of money. I need $300 for the tuner, not for the police. I'm gonna be patient. I ain't got nowhere to go. Goodness, my temperature's all the way up now. Oh, he's gonna run it. He's gonna run it, and he ran it. Oh, I missed second gear. All right, so I think the street is over here, if I remember correctly. Is that a gate? Of course there's a gate. I've never seen a gate here before. Oh, there's another exit though. Worst case scenario, I'll go through the grass. A little off-roading in the Gsxr never hurt nobody. Alright, I can't make a left, but I am going to go ahead and do some hood rat things with my friends today, I guess. There's another car coming. I'm not gonna play chicken with a car. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose that one. I don't know, I have been in the gym lately, you don't know though. He might lose that one. Cutting it close. Almost hit that curb, buddy. Alright, let's get out there. Hood rat things with my friends. Oh. Oh yeah. It runs, man. It runs real good. I definitely lose power on the top end though. That is a fact. It actually, I'm not even sure how to explain the way it feels. Oh man, guys, I got my bike back. Before then though, man, that power is there. Goodness. It's from idle to 7 grand. It's way faster than my old 750. That's a fact. What's this over here? Never been over there. It looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna make a U-turn, rip it down the street one more time. Oh, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Don't judge me on my shifting. It's been a while. Alright, let this car go. Here we go. Front wheel comes up first gear. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, it sounds amazing. It feels amazing. Woo! I am in love right now. I am in love right now. I feel bad for every other thing that I buy from now on, because I will be swapping motors forever. Anybody want to swap a motor, call me. We'll pull your truck in the living room and we will swap that right there in the living room. Alright, so my bike is lowered. I don't think I'll be able to do a second gear wheelie. Let me see. I'm gonna pop it. Oh yeah, no, that doesn't come up at all. I'm also in the range where I lose power, so I think that might have to do with the fact that I lose power. I was on a 250 the other day and I could pull a second gear wheelie, so it revs up there, but the minute I let go of the clutch, it loses it. So I'm not sure what that's about. I'm gonna see what's over here. Oh, off-road in the Gsxr. Oh goodness, don't fall. Oh, if I fall my first day on the bike, I'd be highly pissed. Oh man, it's nice over here. Got the little airport over there. Man, well, I think that's gonna be it for this video. This looks like a good place to end the video, man. Let's step back and take a look. Project Gsxr, man, first ride, first motor vlog. I appreciate you guys. I wish the clouds were gone. You might get the sunset in the background, but of course I got clouds. That's just my luck. But anyway, I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, man. And I definitely got more coming up with Project Gsxr. This project's gonna be around for a long time. I've got 1, possibly 2 more projects to introduce to the channel. And yeah, that's it, man. Y'all have a good one, and I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna get back on this bike and see you guys next time.